Today, I'll show you how to integrate Typeform with Klaviyo, a straightforward process that can enhance your marketing automation efforts. Integrating these two platforms allows you to automatically sync the data collected from Typeform surveys directly into Klaviyo, making it easier to personalize your email campaigns and improve your customer engagement strategies. Whether you're a marketer looking to streamline data collection or a small business owner wanting to make the most of your customer insights, this guide has you covered. To get started, first head over to typeform.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a list of all your forms. Choose the form you'd like to integrate with Klaviyo. This could be any form, whether it's a customer feedback survey, a lead generation form, or something else entirely. Selecting the right form is crucial because the data you collect will be what's transferred over to Klaviyo for further use. After selecting your form, you'll notice an option to connect it, usually located towards the top or side of the form settings. Click on this connect option. This is where the integration magic begins, allowing you to link your Typeform data seamlessly with other platforms, including Klaviyo. Next, you need to find Klaviyo in the list of available integrations. Typeform offers a variety of integrations, but you're specifically looking for Klaviyo to proceed. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to locate Klaviyo quickly. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct integration, as this will determine where your data goes. Once you've found Klaviyo, click Connect. This action will prompt you to authenticate your Klaviyo account. You may need to log in if you haven't already done so. During this step, you'll be asked to allow Typeform to access certain data from your Klaviyo account. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the integration works smoothly and securely. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions to finalize the connection. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Typeform with Klaviyo. Now, any data collected from the specific Typeform you selected will automatically flow into your Klaviyo account. This seamless integration allows you to leverage the insights gathered through your forms to enhance your email marketing strategies, create more targeted campaigns, and ultimately improve customer engagement. Remember, the key to getting the most out of this integration is to regularly monitor your Typeform responses and adjust your Klaviyo campaigns accordingly. Keeping an eye on the data will ensure that your marketing efforts are as effective as possible and that you're consistently reaching out to your audience with relevant content. If you encounter any issues during the integration process, both Typeform and Klaviyo offer robust support resources, including help articles and customer service, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Enjoy the benefits of this powerful integration and watch your marketing automation efforts reach new heights.